In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export calendars on Google Workspace Vertical Bar 2026. If you're moving to a new account, sharing a schedule with a teammate, or backing up your events, Google Calendar makes it simple to export and import using standard ICS files. Let's start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and signing in with your Google Workspace account so you're working in the right place. First, let's export a single calendar. On the left side of the calendar page, look for the section labeled My Calendars. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to export to reveal a small menu icon with 3 dots. Click that, then choose Settings and Sharing. In the settings for that specific calendar, scroll until you see the option called Export Calendar and click it. Google will download a zip file to your computer. Inside that zip, you'll find one or more ICS files. The ICS format is a widely supported standard, so it's perfect for moving events into other calendar apps or accounts. After the download finishes, open the zip folder and extract the ICS file. That file is your exported calendar data. If you need everything at once, you can export all calendars linked to your account in one go. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of Google Calendar, then choose Settings. In the left-hand menu, open Import and Export and select Export. Google will create a zip that contains an ICS file for each of your calendars bundled together for convenience. Now let's import events into Google Calendar. Still in Google Calendar, click the gear icon, select Settings, and open Import and Export on the left. Under the Import section, click Select File from your computer. Choose the ICS file you extracted or received. Next, pick the calendar you want to import these events into from the drop-down. This step matters because it controls where the events will appear. When you're ready, click Import. Your events will be added automatically and should show up on your calendar within moments. A few quick tips as you work. Double check that you're signed into the correct account before exporting or importing. Confirm you've selected the right destination calendar during import, and give large calendars a little time to process. If you work across regions, it's also a good idea to review your time zone settings after importing to ensure event times look correct. That's it. You now know how to export a single calendar, export all calendars, and import ICS files in Google Calendar on Google Workspace.